To open a Wealthfront savings account, start by going to the Wealthfront website and clicking on the Get Started button. This will take you to a page where you can select the type of account you want to open. In this case, a savings account. Click on the Savings option and then select Open an account. You will be asked to provide some basic information such as your name, address, date of birth, and social security number. This information is required to verify your identity and comply with regulatory requirements. Next, you will be asked to create a username and password for your account. Choose a username that is easy for you to remember and a password that is secure. It is recommended to use a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters to make your password more secure. After creating your username and password, you will be asked to fund your account. You can fund your account by linking your existing bank account or by mailing a check. To link your bank account, you will need to provide your bank account number and routing number. This information can be found on the bottom of your checks or by contacting your bank. Once you have funded your account, you will be able to take advantage of Wealthfront's high-yield savings account features, including a high interest rate and no fees. You can also set up automatic transfers from your linked bank account to your Wealthfront savings account. It is also important to note that Wealthfront savings accounts are insured by the FDIC, which means your deposits are insured up to $250,000. This provides an added layer of security and protection for your money. In conclusion, opening a Wealthfront savings account is a straightforward process that can be completed online in a few minutes. By following these steps and providing the required information, you can start earning a high interest rate on your savings and take advantage of the benefits that Wealthfront has to offer.